So welcome to my channel guys, this is JB23 vlog. So this is the continuation of my main bearing inspection video. So in this video guys, I'd like to share on how to install back the main bearing. So right now I'm holding the upper part of the main bearing in the unit of number 4. So my position here is at the fuel pump side guys, in which the lock of our upper bearing is located from this fuel pump side. So we have to insert from there so that we can see the lock of the main bearing. As you can see guys, I put some lubrications just to insert it smoothly. So right now I'm holding the main bearing. So at the same time we have to turn the engine in the direction in which the lock is from behind. So as you can see, I'm holding the main bearing. Then the engine must be slowly turned by hand in the flywheel side, so that the main bearing will go up smoothly. Once it is not going up guys, that means there is some resistance, and you have to check it carefully what's the reason of that resistance. So as you can see guys, it is now turning, and once it will stop, then we have to insert the special tool, the T wrench, the T bar guys, the small special tool of main bearing. So I'm going to the other side, the exhaust side guys, so that I can insert the special tool, that letter T bar. So just keep the engine turning by hand in the flywheel, and right now I am waiting for the hole so that I can insert the special tool into the hole. Once the hole comes out, then we have to insert that special tool, and once it is inserted, just keep the engine turning until it will catch the main bearing, and just hold it until it will catch, otherwise it will fall down. So as you can see guys, it's almost there. Okay, now the turning is stopped. Now I'm about to insert the T, that special tool. So I just keep it holding until it will touch to come in contact with main bearing, and so after that I can release it, and to keep it turning, to push the main bearing up smoothly. As you can see guys, I already released it, and I have to go back in the fuel pump side just to see that our bearing must go up smoothly. As you can see guys, it's not shown in the video, but as you can see guys, that's visible. The T is in contact with the main bearing, and it is pushing up while the engine is turning. So I have to go back here at the fuel pump side to check that, to ensure that the main bearing is going up smoothly, and the slot of the lock must fit in of the main bearing to the slot of the lock. Now that shiny part is the main bearing. It is slowly going up. Now it's almost. Once it is fixed exactly, guys, then we can stop and turn it a reverse side to remove that special tool. Now it's already in place, and I have to remove the special tool. Now I have to ensure, now I'm ensuring that it is already in place, guys. It's a little bit difficult to see in the video. Now I'm checking it and ensuring it that it is in place. So the upper bearing is already inserted, and right now I'm preparing for the lower bearing, guys. So this is the lower bearing. As you can see the difference. So this is the lower bearing. So the lock of the lower bearing is on the exhaust side. So I have to position it from the exhaust side. So that's the difference of them. The lock is from the exhaust side of this lower bearing. That upper bearing is the fuel pump side, the lock position. So I have to insert from this side, guys. And same as the upper bearing, you have to lubricate every time to clean and lubricate it. And the main bearing cap must be lubricated also, that it will go smoothly. Everything goes smoothly, guys. Just be careful every time to protect the bearings from scratches, just to be sure that no any foreign particles, no any dirt that accumulates to our main bearing and to the main bearing cap. So now the engine is turning, and you have to position that the crank wave is on the upper side, so that we can position the bearing into the main bearing cap. And we have to be sure that the lock of the main bearing must be inserted properly, and it will comes end to end with the upper main bearing. So in this job, guys, there should be one that must turn in the flywheel, and you have to establish a good communication. Now I'm inserting it, guys, and as you can see, I am putting it by hand and ensuring that the slot of the lock, the main bearing, must be properly inserted. So just push it by hand, and must be lubricated to insert it smoothly. So must be sure that, as you can see, guys, I'm pushing the main bearing to slowly. So until here, guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye.